Our deeply exfoliating and cell regenerating formula feeds skin transdermal vitamins, minerals, and amino acids while it hydrates, brightens, clarifies, and firms. Upon application, the skin warms and tingles as circulation is enhanced. The complexion becomes more balanced, youthful, and glowing. Seamasque is an effective treatment for aging, acneic, sun-damaged, and problematic skin types. Organic Icelandic Sea Kelp nourishes skin with over 60 vital micronutrients and 18 amino acids. Volcanic Alum Crystal firms and tightens skin for lift while protecting it from toxins. Organic Iodine promotes cell regeneration to reduce fine lines and repair damaged skin. Honey clarifies the complexion, infusing skin with antioxidants. Steam Distilled Spearmint calms skin to reduce redness. Vegetable Glycerin draws oxygen into skin, pulling out impurities. 100% natural, cruelty-free, preservative-free, paraben-free, small batch, handcrafted, with zero synthetics. Masque, Seamasque, Dottir. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.